FAA plans to unveil which airports will be impacted tomorrow. But ahead of a busy holiday travel season, this is the announcement no one wants to hear. So by Friday, air traffic will be reduced by 10% across 40 airports considered high volume. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy says the move is meant to maintain air safety. Our Shawnette Wilson is live at PHL for us tonight. Shawnette, not the best time to travel here.
Not at all. But right now, Sheba and Jason, we are still waiting to hear whether those changes will affect any flying through Philly International. Meanwhile, we do know that flying will become even more uncertain in just a few days.
I have flight anxiety already, so hearing anything, I'm kind of like panicking.
All bags have dropped on carousel 8.
We can't take off on time, or we don't have enough of this.
Jubilee Watkins, her beautiful 5-month-old daughter, and mom returned home tonight from visiting family in Kingston, Jamaica for the past month. She says their connecting flight in Atlanta was delayed getting them to Philly.
Because I heard people saying, okay, like the flights are delayed because of the government shutdown.
And today, the Federal Aviation Administration announced what will likely be an even bigger inconvenience to people flying.
There is going to be a 10% reduction in capacity at 40 of our locations.
The FAA is cutting the number of flights at 40 high-volume markets around the country starting Friday morning. Officials say the move is meant to help airlines strained because of staffing shortages caused by the government shutdown. Air traffic controllers have been working without pay since the shutdown started October 1st, causing more staff call-outs, leading to flight delays. The FAA says reducing flights at the busiest airports will help maintain safety during the shutdown.
Continue to take the pressure off of our controllers. And as we continue to see staffing triggers, there will be additional measures that will be taken in those specific markets.
Ann Rodriguez just moved here from Florida to stay with family.
I was homeless in Florida. If they didn't have enough flights for me to come back home, I'd be sleeping another cold night in the streets in Florida.
But she's also aware that flying requires proper staffing.
I want to make sure I'm safe.
Meanwhile, others wonder if fewer flight choices will end up costing them more.
I think it's really going to drive up the price of the flights if they're going to be more scarce than they already are.
And the FAA is expected to release that list of the 40 airports tomorrow, Jason. We did reach out to Philly International. They would not comment on this ahead of the FAA making that news public tomorrow.